Hey everyone, if you want to deploy your code quickly and take advantage of Vercel's automatic deployment features, importing a GitHub repository is the best place to start. In this video, I'll show you how to import a GitHub repository into Vercel from start to finish in 2026. First, make sure your project is already uploaded to GitHub. Verify that all project files, configuration files, and dependencies are committed and pushed to your repository. If this is your first time connecting GitHub to Vercel, you'll be prompted to authorize access. Follow the on-screen instructions and grant Vercel permission to access your repositories. After authorization is complete, Vercel will display a list of available GitHub repositories. Browse the list and select the repository you want to import. If you don't see the repository, check your GitHub permissions and confirm that Vercel has access to the correct account or organization. Next, review the project settings. Vercel usually detects popular frameworks such as React, Nextjs, Vue, Astro, and others automatically. Check the build command, output directory, and framework settings to ensure they match your project's requirements. And that's how to import a GitHub repository into Vercel in 2026. With GitHub integration and automated deployment workflows, Vercel makes it easy to publish and maintain modern web applications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.